Hi, 11th Bangalore Shorts Film Festival 2022 film market and networking participants. My name is Felix Swahn and I'm 28 years old. I'm from Sweden and living in Stockholm. I've been educated in Sweden and Australia as a 2D animator. I have a neuropsychiatric diagnosis, autism. I have a passion for telling stories and I love 2D animation. Funding and distribution is what I'm seeking from other industry professionals. I would like to make a follow-up to this man-dog story, Being a Dog 2, how a man-dog gains self-importance and starts to live a good life. In order to do that, I need to find collaboration regarding animation, financing and distribution. I think there are stories from autistic people that needs to be told, and the world should hear about this kind of stories. I think these kind of stories should be very visual, because there are a lot of people not having a language, and the picture should carry the story. I think these stories should be about hope, and that life can be lived very nicely, even though you have a disability. I think telling stories about this can inspire others to tell their stories and make their lives meaningful. So it's important. There are festivals for disabled people and I think it's a growing market. Here's my social media. My wish to 11th Bangalore Shorts Film Festival 2022 film market and networking participants is the best of luck to the film festival.